I'm leaving my wholesaling real estate business. I'm leaving my wholesaling real estate business for 4 months. Yeah, that's right. I'm totally stepping away from my company, and we're gonna see that it will run itself without me. So let's talk about it, right? So this is my wholesaling company here in Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm gonna be leaving and moving to Orange County, California, to the Laguna Beach area for all 4 months of summer. From July to October, I'm out of here. And so I'm starting to pack up all my stuff right here because I'm gonna be setting up an office for me where I'm gonna work virtually for the next 4 months and see if my staff, my team can have my company run without me. So this is my wholesaling real estate business if you haven't seen it. I have 6 sales guys, 1 disposition manager. My disposition manager isn't here yet today, but this is Sean's office, my disposition manager's office. This is a little bullpen area where all my sales guys are. I got Ian, he's been with me for like 6 months. I got Louis. Louis's been with me 6 years. He's one of my first guys ever. We got a little gym in here. We got another office right here. Colton's back here. What's up, Colton? What's up? Yeah, Colton works back there, one of my acquisition managers. We got Alex, one of my acquisition managers. He's training right here with Spencer. Spencer's one of my sales managers, sales trainers on the wholesale biz. So yeah. This is my office. That's my studio where I used to film all my YouTube videos. So this is my Scottsdale, Arizona office, and I'm leaving my company. I'm completely stepping away from my business. It's kind of scary, guys. From the age of 16 to now I'm 23 years old, I haven't stepped away from my company for more than a couple days. If that. For the past 4 years, I didn't go on vacation at all. Except a week ago, I did go to Cabo. It was my first vacation that I ever went on in 4 years. I hadn't went anywhere. So I really haven't left my business. I've been, grinding it out, staying focused for the longest time. But now look at all the work I've put in. I've got great team members, got a great company going, and I think it's time for me to step away and watch it run. So we're gonna see if that works. All right, so I'm gonna meet with each of my sales guys just to, have a good meeting with each one of them individually before I step away, make sure I set them up for success. So I'm gonna start with Ian. All right, so real quick, I'm gonna meet with Ian individually before I leave to California. But so you took like a month break, but you've been back for a couple weeks now, like a week and a half. Yep. How many deals have you locked up? You were getting a deal a day.
Deal a day. I'm about just under 20. I'm
20.
19 to 20.
So you locked up 3 deals and then you locked up a package, right? Mm-hmm. Tell me about that package deal.
Yeah, originally started as just a normal deal. Got the best ARV I could possibly get for him. Well, ARV was good, so I went with it. Ended up liking the deal we got for him, so he hit me with all of his linked properties and let me know it could be a pretty...
So you saw his linked properties on PropStream. You saw he owned a bunch more, and he liked your first offer that you made him on the first property.
Correct.
And then he was like, I got all this other stuff to sell. So he sold you 10 vacant lots and 5 houses.
Correct.
Awesome. All right, well, I'm going to meet with you real quick, and yeah.
Sweet.
All right, let me get somebody else. I'm going to get Colton. Colton, I want to talk with you for a minute. Colton, you've been here for a while now. When you first started with me, how many days did it take you to get your first deal?
4 days.
4 days. Okay, sick. See? Great sales guy. 4 days, got his first deal. So I'm meeting with everybody before I go to California. So met with Colton. We're going to meet with Louis. Louis, how many deals have you locked up this month?
About 9.
9 contracts signed this month. What's your best deal?
California deal.
What'd you lock it up for?
Locked it up for 380.
And it's worth ARV?
Like 500, 520.
Locked it up for 380. It's worth 500, 520. How much you think we're gonna make on the deal?
Like 30 to 40K.
30 to 40K. 9 contracts, 1 month. All right, I'm meeting with everybody before I go to Cali. Let me meet with you. All right, I'm done meeting with Louis. Let me get Spencer. Spence,
yeah.
Can I meet with you? What's the biggest deal you ever locked up at my company?
We did.
The LA one.
Yeah, that was about a $200,000 deal.
We made $210,000 from this deal with Spencer in LA. He's one of my best sales guys. I'm gonna meet with him. So Alex, you've been here like 2 months? You've been here 2 months? How many deals have you locked up in 2 months?
12 deals.
12 deals.
Yes, sir.
12 deals in 2 months. So you're crushing it. Yeah, let me meet with you real quick. All right, so met with everybody that's here right now. Sean's taking his mom to the airport, so he'll be in a little. I'll meet with him. My disposition manager, Cole, is in Mexico right now. I'm going to be here Monday, and I leave on Tuesday next week, so I'll get with him too, and then I'll do a full company meeting with everybody, make sure I set the expectations of what I expect from everybody while I'm gone. You know, the big thing is I want to make sure they're all showing up and doing what they're supposed to do. And I told them, like, there's some people here that are more reliable than others, and that's just the fact of the matter. So I told them, look, it looks bad upon everybody if some people aren't showing up, because this is a team effort, right? And I expect you guys, you know, if somebody's not showing up, to get on them and be like, hey man, we're all getting here on time, you need to be here too. So just tried to set the expectation with everybody of what I'm looking for with that. But with that being said, I'm packing up all my office stuff and all my video equipment to go to California. My goal out in California is to really have focus. It's hard to focus when I have all my staff around me needing help from me all day. I'm constantly getting knocks on my door of like, hey, can you help me with this or whatever? And so I'm really trying to step away to get that focus, right? Get that clarity that I need to really scale my businesses. It's one thing being in the business, but it's another thing being outside the business, looking in from an outside perspective, trying to grow it and trying to scale it. So that's really what I'm trying to do. The effort of this is to get away, not only for a break for myself, you know, but also to get that clarity, get that focus to really just scale things to the next level. That's what I'm trying to do. Also, I'm trying to scale my personal brand to the next level. So I'm going to be making a ton of content, a ton of videos to help you guys out in wholesaling real estate the whole time I'm in California. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I will be back here in August, because I am opening up another office in my building. So I got another office just down the hall that I'm going to be opening up in August. I'll go show you guys that real quick. But while we walk over to that other office, I want to let you know that I am holding a free 1-hour live training. There's going to be a link down below in the description where you can sign up for this free 1-hour live training where I will personally coach you on exactly how to get your first deal in the next 60 days or less and make $20,000 or more. And if you're already doing deals in this live training, I'm going to show you how you can scale your business. So make sure you click the link down below, sign up for the free 1-hour live training where I personally coach you on how to wholesale real estate. But this is my new office. I'll be back here in August setting up this office. There's a conference room, 2 executive suites, there's a kitchen area, and there's a bullpen sales area. I can probably pack in 10 more employees into this office. And guys, I'm gonna be making videos in this office showing you exactly how I build out this whole office. So guys, look forward to it, because I'm gonna show you how to build a wholesaling, how to build an office from the ground up. And there's just gonna be so much value that you guys are gonna be getting from me in videos over the next few months. I'm gonna be making a ton of content while I'm gone in California to show you how to wholesale real estate. When I come back here every few weeks, we're gonna be checking in with my office, seeing how it's running without me. So you're gonna be able to see, hey, does Jacob's business run without him? I'm gonna show you if it does, and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna be 100% honest. If I have issues from stepping away from my business, I'm gonna show you what issues I ran into. So that way you can get value from that as well. And then I'm gonna be back here in August, setting up this office, showing you everything about it, how I set up the office, what desks I'm buying, computers, all of that. So that way you know how to build out your office as well. So yeah, guys, I hope you found this video valuable. Make sure you sign up for that free 1-hour live training. There's a link down below in the description. But I'm leaving my company, going to California, living by the beach, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the red button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.